Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to unlock your best life? Today, we're diving into an incredible opportunity that can help you transform your everyday living. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of knowledge right at your fingertips. Yes, I'm talking about Digital Store 24 eBooks. Whether you're looking to boost your finances, enhance your health and wellness, or even learn more about caring for your pets, there's an ebook just waiting for you. These instant downloads are designed to empower you with practical tips and insights that can make a real difference in your life. Think about it, with just a few clicks, you can start your journey toward improvement today. Each ebook is packed with valuable information that can guide you in making informed decisions, setting achievable goals, and ultimately living a more fulfilling life. So why wait? Head over to Linktree at Newbill Deals and explore the amazing selection available. Your best life is just a download away. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's embark on this journey together.